Hello, let's talk flex tables. So if you open a regular card up and you go to Edit and Analyzer, if you go to chart types in the top right here, and you go to tables and text boxes, you'll see flex table. So here's what a flex table is. A flex table allows for a lot of information, kind of all in one shot, which is sometimes good and bad. Now, what you can see here is I have three values. I have revenue, AOV, orders. That's because that's right here. Revenue, AOV, average order value, and orders. And I have this by portfolio company. And I only have four portfolio companies, company A, company B, company C. That's why it looks like this over time. Hey, what if I wanted to do dates instead of companies? Well, I could put date in there instead, but it's going to look like this because I have dates all by days in my data set. So I'm going to go to this top right where it says the last 12 months. That's me putting last 12 months. I'm going to change. I'm going to say, show me by month. There we go. Now I can say, show me my total revenue, AOV, and orders by month in this flex table. That's what this thing does. Okay, so let's look at something pretty important, these last two things. So this is showing you at a glance, well, how am I doing based on all these pieces? Okay, whatever, we have that. Hey, what if you, though, wanted to see company A, company B, company C, and you just care about revenue? You don't want to see all these different KPIs. Well, I could do that. I can get rid of these two. And I could put in portfolio company right here. And there we have company A, company, and I want to sort this because I don't like a user experience like that. Company A, company B, company C, company D. So now I can see all my different branches, perhaps revenue over time, all this stuff. Hey, what's this? Why are these in pink? Why are these all negative numbers? Well, that depends on you, what you want to do. So check this out. If I go to change value options, what this is asking me is it's saying, hey, what color do you want it to be good, which is green in this instance, and what color is bad, which is pink, which I could totally make it the reverse or red or green, whatever I want. But this is the main thing we need to look at. Calculate change. Now it's asking you, what are we looking at? Right now, if I pick first value, this is going to compare the last value that I have for company A, what am I picking? Revenue, first and the last. That's why I'm down so much, okay? If you do penultimate value, what it's doing is it's looking at the last two. And so that's how you can change it however you want to. Anyway, those are very fast ways on how to use the flex table. Hey, and you thought that was cool? I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo. And I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10-minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition, at this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World, and it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.